To drain my belt after that one. Three, two, one, go. Nice! How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Good. Watch out, he's gonna get you. What's up, guys? We did an all Can-Am ride. We did end up having some Honda footage in here, as you'll see around North Beach and stuff. But we had an XMR570 and 650, both 2021s, and my XMR700, which is a 2023, obviously. I was pretty impressed with how well the new XMR700 kept up with the old 650. I thought that because it lost a cylinder, it was going to be a lot slower, but it actually has a little more acceleration, I think because the clutching is way better, and the suspension's a little more capable. But all in all, pretty evenly matched machines on stock tires. Once you start putting big tires, the 700 would really shine because it's got that lower gearing. But I put stock tires on my machine to have a fair comparison for this ride. But lots of good stuff. I went over and sunk it a few times, but never got water in the oil and never hydrolocked it, so it's all good. Guys, it looks pretty stuck. It really does. We're just going to give her the beans and see what happens. It's pretty high centered. Got the front diff lock, low range. Here we go. I thought I was in the channel, then I saw the tree at the last second. This 2023 is the only belt drive I've ever driven with that level of low speed modulation. Doing a water wheelie that slow is usually about impossible on anything with a belt drive. Nice! Nice! Yeah! These factory tires are actually pretty terrible for how much tread they have. In two-wheel drive, I just wanted to spin in circles and anything deep, so I left it in four-wheel drive diff lock all day. Power steering is so strong, that was totally doable, and it actually did pretty well like that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I'm good.